Single AI agents hit limits fast. Today, we're deploying a 4-agent team, PM, Dev, QA, and DevOps, building and shipping code entirely on autopilot. Before writing code, let's look at why single agents fail on complex codebases. It comes down to context degradation. When an LLM is tasked with high-level architecture and low-level implementation details simultaneously, accuracy drops exponentially. To fix this, we enforce role segregation. Today, we're deploying 4 micro-agents. The PM agent turns raw requirements into task queues with strict acceptance criteria. The Dev agent picks up tickets and writes localized, modular code. The QA agent executes test suites, rejecting bugs directly back to Dev. And the DevOps agent builds Docker containers and validates staging. No bloated context, zero human intervention. Let's wire this up. Let's inspect the setup. We're using a lightweight Python-backed framework paired with model context protocol servers so each agent gets access only to the tools it actually needs. Notice the prompt scoping. The PM agent gets read access to the existing repository and write access to issue files. It has zero authority to touch source code. The Dev agent has explicit shell access to run local linters and formatters, but cannot trigger deployment routines. The QA agent is given execution rights over PyTest and direct feedback channels to post inline code comments when standard error is non-zero. Here's the key trick: the verification loop. The PM agent sets up a definition of _done matrix. The Dev agent produces code, but the ticket cannot move to complete until the QA agent passes every assertion. If QA fails, it triggers an automated feedback loop back to the Dev agent with the trace logs attached. Live test running. Terminal 1. PM agent breaks down JWT Auth and Redis rate limiting into 3 tasks. Terminal 2. Dev agent scaffolds the Auth middleware and hits a Redis exception. Terminal 3. QA agent captures the failed test stack trace, feeds it back, and the Dev agent patches it on pass 2. Terminal 4. DevOps builds the Docker image and verifies the health endpoint. Total time: 2 minutes, 14 seconds. Before you hit deploy, here's your multi-agent reality check. First, watch for token spikes. Cap your execution turns. If a dev loop hits 5 retries, alert a human. Second, stop infinite loops. Set strict timeouts so QA and dev don't get trapped in endless feedback over edge cases. Finally, keep a human in the loop. Never let DevOps push straight to production without an explicit PR gate. All the source code, system prompts, and MCP tool configs for this multi-agent team architecture are available in the GitHub repository linked in the description below. If you're building autonomous workflows or scaling agent stacks, smash the like button, subscribe to the AI Blueprint, and drop a comment letting me know which team role